Welcome to Mishna study Masechet Maaser Sheni Perek Bet Mishna Vav. Over here in this Mishnah, we're going to speak about Hulin coins that got mixed up with Maaser Sheni coins. Now, when I'm talking about coins, there's two different types of coins. There's what we called what we mentioned in last Mishnah, right? We mentioned the Ma'ot. Ma'ot generally are copper coins. Now we have Sela. Sela is a silver coin. Now, what do we know about transferring? We transfer kedusha from Maaser Sheni one to the next, so we only can do it through copper, right? We can't do it, from silver onto other silver. We could do, silver onto other copper, and we'll see that you have to actually transfer those copper coins back to silver just out of kavod, out of respect. So that's going to be part of this Mishnah, and it's just an important principle to know that when we transfer the kedusha of Maaser Sheni, it needs to be onto ma'ot, onto Maaser Sheni, onto copper coins. So let's say a sela shel Maaser Sheni. You had a sela, silver coin of Maaser Sheni, v'shel Hulin, and also of Hulin, right? Silver coin of Hulin, they got mixed up. So what could you do? Mevi basela ma'ot. You bring the value of that sela. You bring copper coins. So let's say that one silver coin is worth 10 copper coins. So you bring 10 copper coins. Ve'omer, and you say sela shel Maaser Sheni. Right now, you don't know which one is the Maaser Sheni, which one is the Hulin. You have two silver coins over here. So you bring all these other copper coins, and you say, you know what, the sela that was Maaser Sheni, right? Wherever it is, right? It doesn't matter which of these coins it was. They should the kedusha should be transferred onto these ma'ot, onto these copper coins. Then what do? Then you go take the silver coin that was nicer of those two. Right, you just transfer the kedusha from whichever coin it was. Right now, you say this one's nicer. Okay, so you're gonna take the nicer one, right, and then you retransfer the copper coins and you transfer the kedusha onto this one, onto the better one. Right, just out of kavod, right, to give it the respect. Because they say you are allowed to transfer, right, to be mahalel silver onto copper midohak, right, only if it's out of total necessity. Right, you must need to. You don't have any other choice. Right, it's actually the Targum Onkelos of lahatz. Right, in Sefer Shemot lahatz. Dohaka. Right, pressure. Right, you're pressured to do it. Right, you have no other option. Right, lo sheyikayem ken, not because you want it to last that way, because you want the Maaser Sheni to be on now copper coins. Ela shu hozer u'halelan ala kesef. Rather, you're going to retransfer the kedusha back onto the silver. Right? And that's the law of our Mishnah, and it really sums up what we mentioned in the beginning.